Good morning children. Welcome to today's online class. Today we are going to learn GCD and LCM. It is very important for you children. What is GCD? GCD means greatest common divisor of the given numbers or expression. Similarly, LCM means least common multiple of the given numbers or expression. Let us enter into the class. Consider the example. Let us take the smallest number 5, 10. So GCD of 5, 10. How to find out? Listen. We have two smallest number given. First of all, we have to resolve the each numbers into its factors. So 5 can be write 1 into 5. 10 can be factorized 2 into 5. Here 5 is common for both. That alone we have to select for GCD. Okay. GCD of 5, 10 is equal to only common we have to select. This 5 alone is equal to 5. Similarly, for the same example, let us find out the LCM. LCM of 5, 10. How to find out? Same way, we have to factorize the 5, 10. So 5 can be write 5 is equal to 1 into 5 or 5 alone, 5 power 1. 10 can be write 2 into 5. It can be write 2 into 5 can be write 2 power 1, 5 power 1. 2 is one time and 5 is one time. Now, first of all, we have to go through this 5 alone. Okay, 5. Among this both, 5 power 1 is common. 5 power 1. Now, this 2 power 1 is the third pair, is it? That we should not leave. That also we have to select. 2 power 1. Multiplication. Which is equal to, what is 2 power 1? 2. What is 5 power 1? 5. Now this both we have to multiply, which is equal to 2 5s are 10. Now compare it. GCD of 5, 10 is equal to 5. LCM of 5, 10 is equal to 10. LCM equal to 10. So GCD means this lowest term will get the answer. LCM means this highest term will get the answer. Okay, understood? Consider GCD of two variable terms, means expressions. Is a cube b square, comma a square b cube. How to find the GCD of these expressions? So a cube b square is the first expression. A square b cube is the second expression. So first of all, as it is, let us write a cube b square, a square b cube. We are going to find the GCD. So first of all, we have to check only this a term, means this first variable term. Among this a square and a cube, we have to select the lowest power term. Which is the lowest power term here? A square. Among a square and a cube, a square is the lowest term, lowest power term. So a square is the GCD. Now come to this b term, b square b cube. Among this both, b square is the lowest term, lowest power term. So we have to select the b square term. So GCD equal to a square b square. Similarly, for the same question, let us find the LCM. LCM of a cube b square, comma a square b cube. How to find out? First of all, a cube b square is equal to, as it is right, a cube b square. Next a square b cube is equal to a square b cube, as it is right. Now among this both, first of all a term. Among both the highest term we have to select. A square a cube, which is the highest power. A cube term is the highest power. So a cube. Now come to this b term. B square b cube is given. Among this both, which is the highest power term. B cube is the highest power term. So we have to select the b cube. So LCM equal to a cube b cube. Understand, students? Next, write the question. Find the GCD of 90, 150, 225. When three numbers are given, how to find the GCD? Let us do. Okay, three numbers are there. First, 90 is there. Okay, here each numbers we have to resolve into its factors. So 90 let us factorize. So first of all, 90 let us factorize using prime numbers. Take the smallest prime number, 2 table, 2. 4 2s are 8. One balance is there, 1 and 0 we have to consider as 10. So 5 2s are 10. For the 2 table cannot use, it is odd number. Then move to the third table. So 3. 1 3 is 3. One balance is there, 1 and 5 we have to consider 15. 5 3s are 15. For the 3 table is possible. So 3 5s are 15. So this 90 can be write 2 into 3 into this 3 into 5. Okay. Similarly, next number 150 is equal to, let us divide it, 150. Take the smallest prime number, 2. 7 2s are 14. One balance is there, 1 and 0 consider 10. 5 2s are 10. Next, 2 table is not possible. It is odd number. So move to the 3 table. 2 3s are 6. One balance is there, 1 and 5. Consider 15. 5 3s are 15. Next, 3 table is not possible. Move to the next prime number. That is 5. 5 5s are 25. So it can be right 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay. Similarly, next number 225 is there. So 225 is equal to, let us factorize. It is odd number, so 2 table is not possible. Let us move to the 3 table. 7 3s are 21. One balance is there. 1 and 5 consider as 15. So 5 3s are 15. Further 3 table. So 2 3s are 6. 5 3s are 15. Again 5 5s are 25. So it can be right 3 into 5 into 5. Now we have to find out the GCD. How to find out the GCD? Which are the factors or otherwise which are the numbers are the factors of all the 3 terms. So check it. First, this 5 is factor for all the term. So can be write 5. Then next. So among this all the 5, 1 5 we have to select. Okay. Then next 3. 3 is common for all the 3 numbers. So 3 can be choose. Remaining term we cannot choose. Why no? It is not common factor for all the 3 terms. Only which are the numbers are common for all the terms alone we have to select. Understand? So 3 and 5 is the common factor for all 3 numbers. So that alone we have to select. So now 3 into 5 we have to multiply. 3 5s are 15. Therefore GCD equal to 15. Understand? Now similarly, second question, find the LCM of the last we have did know that GCD, that same numbers. Okay, 90, 150, 225. So here also we have to take one by one all the numbers and resolved into its factors. First of all, 90 can be factorized. 90, take the 2 table, 4, 5. Again, 2 table is not possible, it is odd number, no? So 3 table, 1 3 is 3, 1 balance, 1 and 5 we have to consider 15, 5 3s are 15. Further 3 table, 5 3s are 15. So 90 can be write 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 5. And also it can be write 2 power 1. Only 1 2 is there, so 2 power 1. 2 times 3 is there, so 3 power 2 into 5 is only 1 time, it can be write 5 power 1. Okay. Next, 150. Let us factorize the 150. 2 table. 7, 2s are 14. 1 balance is there, 1 and 0. We have to consider as 10. 5 2s are 10. Further, this 2 table is not possible, it is odd number. So, 3 table. 2 3s are 6. 1 balance is there. 1 and 5 we have to consider as 15. 5 3s are 15. So, that again 5 table can be 5 5s are 25. So, it can be write 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. 3 into 5 into 5. Also, it can be write only 1 2 is there, so 2 power 1. Only 1 3 is there, 3 power 1. 2 times 5 is there, so 5 power 2. 5 power 2 can be right. Similarly, 225. 225, let us factorize. First of all, we can use, it is odd number, so 2 table is not possible to divide. So, take the 3 table. 7 3s are 21. 1 balance is there, so and there is 5. 1 and 5 we have to consider as 15. 5 3s are 15. Again 3 table. 2 3s are 6. 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. So it can be write 3 into 5 into 5. Here 3 is 2 times, so it can be write 3 power 2 into 5 also 2 times, so it can be write 5 power 2. Now we have to find the LCM. How can we find out the LCM? Now highest common we are going to find out. So now only 5, the number 5 we have to find out first of all. Here 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 2. Among these 3, highest power we have to select. Which is the highest power among these 3? 5 power 2 is the highest. So 5 power 2 into. Next go to the number 3. Here 3 power 2. Here 3 power 1. Here 3 power 2. Among these 3, which is the highest? 3 power 2 is the highest. So 3 power 2. Rest of the terms we have to select. Here only 2 term over. Here 3 term. Here 2 power 1 is there. Here also 2 power 1 is there. Among this both, one common term we have to take. Common for 2 power 1 and 2 power 1 is 2 power 1. Okay. These 3 terms we have to multiply now. So 2 power 1 is 2 into, what is going to be 3 power 2? 3 into 3, that is 9 into, what is 5 square? 5 into 5, that is 5 5s are 25. Now we have to multiply. 2 9s are 18. 18 into 25. Let us multiply 18 into 25. What we get? 5 8s are 40. 4 balance. 1 5 is 5. 5 plus 4 9. 2 8s are 16. 1 balance. 1 2 is 2 plus 1 3. Let us add this one. 0. Here 15. Here 1 balance. 3 plus 1 4. Okay. So which is equal to 450. Therefore, LCM equal to 450. Understood, students? Children, from the last 2 questions, when 3 numbers alone given, how to find the GCD and LCM I taught. Is it? Similarly, third question, find the GCD of 2 expressions are given. Okay. numbers as well as variables. When two expressions are given, how to find out the GCD and LCM? Next we are going to learn. So third question is find the GCD of 7x square y z power 4, 21x square y power 5 z cube. How to find out? Listen carefully. How to find out? Now, first of all, we have to check the numbers. Okay, what are the numbers given here? 7 and 21. For that alone, we have to find out the GCD. Okay, GCD of 7, 21. First we are going to find out. So 7 can be factorized 1 into 7. 21 can be factorized 3 into 7. Which is the common factor for both number? 7 is the common. So GCD equal to GCD of 7, 21 equal to 7. Now, next we have to find the GCD of this expressions, this variable terms. So, GCD of x square y z power 4 and x square y power 5 z cube. Okay, how to find out? As it is, right? X square y z power 4 which is equal to x square y power 5 z power 3. Now one by one we have to find out the common. Here x square which is the common? X square is the common. Here y term, y means y power 1. Here y power 5. For GCD we have to select the least power term. Okay, which is the least power? Y is the least power. Y means y power 1 we have to consider. Okay, y power 1 term means y term is the least power. So that we have to select. Next, z is there. So y we have to select. Y is the GCD for y and y power 5. Next, z power 4 and z cube is there. Among this both, which is the least power term? Z cube is the least power term. So that we have to select. Okay, z cube. Okay, now GCD of this two expression is x square y z cube. Now we have to write the answer. So GCD of the given expression. GCD of given expression. Given expression is, what is the answer? For number term we have 7. Okay. For number term we have 7. And for variable term we have x square y z cube. Y z. This is the answer. Understood, students? Next, let us write the question. Find the LCM of 35 a square c cube b, 42 a cube c b square, 30 a c square b cube. B cube, this one. How to find out? Here also, last question, only numbers given. This one numbers with the variable terms. This type of expressions given means how to find out the LCM. Let us learn now. Okay. So, first of all, we have to go through this number term alone. What are the numbers given? 35, 42, 30. First of all, we have to find out the LCM of 35, 42, 30. Okay, only the numbers. LCM of 35, 42, 30. Like this expressions given means we have to find the LCM. For division method together also can be find out. Otherwise separately also can be find out. As you can do. 35, 42, 30. Suitable table we have to select it. 5 table. 7 5s are 45. 42 cannot divide, so as it is right, comma. Next 30 is there, 6 5s are 30. Further 7 table, 1 7 is 7, 6 7s are 42. The 6 cannot be divided, so as 6 cannot be divided by 7. Is it? So as it is need to write. Further, prime numbers let us take 2 table. 1 as it is right, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Further 3 table, 1 1 1. Okay. Now, what are the factors we have? 5 into 7 into 2 into 3. We have to multiply. 5 into 7 into 2 into 3. 5 7s are 35. 35 into 2, 70. 70 into 3, 210. 5 7s are 35. 35 into 2, 70. 70 into 3, 210, which is equal to 210. This is LCM for only number terms. We have 3 expressions. Now, we have to find out the LCM of this variable terms. Okay, variable terms. Let us write one by one. First of all, this A square CQ B is there. A square CQ B is equal to, as it is right, to find the LCM, A square CQ B. Then next variable term, AQ C B square equal to, as it is right this side also, AQ C B square. Next variable term, A C square BQ. A C square BQ, as it is right, A C square BQ. Now one by one let us find out. First, go through this A term alone. Only this variable A let us consider now. Among this 3 terms, A square, AQ, A is there. A means we have to consider as A power 1. Among these 3, which is the highest power term? Which is the highest power term? AQ, which is equal to AQ into. Next term is C term. Among these 3 C term, here CQ, C is there. So we have to consider as C power 1 C square. CQ, C power 1 C square. Among these 3, which is the highest power term? CQ. Okay. So that we have to select CQ. Similarly, B term is there. So B square BQ means B power 1, B power 2, B power 3. Among these 3, which is the highest? B cube is the highest. So B cube. Now LCM of the given expression we have to write. So LCM of the given, LCM equal to, for number term we have the LCM 210, and the variable term we have the LCM AQ, CQ, BQ. Understand, students? Students, note the today's homework. First one, find the GCD and LCM of 15, 35, 105. Second question, find the GCD and LCM of 7x square y square z cube, comma 14x cube y power 4 and z power 2. Okay. How will you do? For LCM, you have to select the highest power term, and for GCD, you have to select the lowest power term. Okay, completed. These are the today's question. Thank you, students.